If you don't like blending in but still want to stand out, then get ready to make history with TechSyntar innovators. This is not just another initiative. It's an exclusive movement for pioneers, visionaries, and legacy builders. Right now, Africa and most global underrepresented communities are on the brink of an AI revolution. But here's the challenge. Without access, without education, without you, our founding sponsors, this revolution might never happen. The AI industry is projected to hit nearly $1 trillion by 2027. But guess what? Africa, with its 1.4 billion minds, is barely in the game. That's not just unfair, it's a wasted potential. Then the underserved and underrepresented communities. Now here's the truth. No one is coming to fix this. No billion-dollar corporations, no governments, no international charity can fully handle AI adoption for these communities. Only you and me, Africans at home and abroad. This is our moment, our responsibility. But you can be the one to change history. By partnering with TechSyntar Innovators' AI STEM Drive, a bold, independent STEM movement bringing AI, robotics, workforce empowerment, career counseling, and cutting-edge engineering to the underserved and underrepresented communities, the streets, schools, and communities of different states in the USA, Europe, and Africa. Hands-on workshops. Real-world training. A revolution in the making. You become more than a donor. You become a founding name in Africa's AI revolution. This isn't just about giving. It's about owning the moment. Your name, your brand, your impact, your legacy, immortalized. Featured across African television and global news networks. Exclusive stage presence at Africa's AI and tech summits. Your brand showcased as a leader in AI-driven social impact. Because when history is written, the question will be, who made the move? It's simple. You donate. We deliver. Your name, your impact, your legacy, forever remembered. This is more than charity. This is a power move. Act now, limited slots available. Be the name that changed the future. For now, we have 10 positions for early starter major sponsors up to the next 2 weeks. After that, we will close the window of opportunity. Claim your spot now. Be the name that changed the future. Click the link to become a founding sponsor today. Act fast or watch this moment pass you by. Let's make history.